How to collect hair. First step, use the gloves. This is the evidence. Step 2, use the use the bond paper and collect the evidence. Step 3, fold the bond paper into three. And use the adhesive tape to secure the evidence.